Are you ready to share your creativity with the world? Uploading YouTube Shorts from PC is easier than you think. In this quick guide, we will walk you through the simple steps to get your videos online and start connecting with viewers. Whether you have a funny sketch, a captivating tutorial, or a memorable moment to share, we will show you how to make it happen. Don't let your videos stay hidden. Let's get your content out there and start building your audience today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to upload YouTube shorts from your PC. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into youtube.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So firstly, all I have to do is just creating an account in YouTube by just linking your information such as your email address and your password, and you get started with YouTube. Also, you don't have to do that if you already have an email address. You have just to link your email address and use the option of Google, and you continue with Google, and you have just to link with your email address and you get started. Alright, so firstly you have just to create a vertical video that under 60 seconds. You want to upload your video from your PC to your YouTube. So you have just to create a vertical video that's under 60 seconds. Sign in into YouTube and click the camera icon with a plus sign to upload your video. Select your file and ensure you add a catchy title, description, and relevant tags, including hashtag shorts. Adjust the visibility settings to your preference. Would click publish to share your content with the world. It's that easy to showcase your creativity and connect with your new viewers. Alright, so right now you have just to click over create and you click over upload video. You will find a page which is this one as you can see. So right now we have just to click over here, select files. Here we have also drag and drop video files to upload your videos. Will be private until you publish them. Also, you can just click over terms of service and community guidelines. Then you read this information to more understand as you can see. Then you click over select files and you have just to scroll down and you have just to select the test here and then you click over open as you can see. So here we have it. Here we have my video that I have from my PC and I will just upload it on YouTube as you can see. Firstly, I will just add a title here as you can see. Then I will just here for also add shorts. Then I will add here a description, describe the video, and also you can mention a channel if you want. Then here we have thumbnail, set a thumbnail that stands out and draws viewers' attention. You can just upload file if you want, auto generate it, and also we have here test and compare as you can see. Then also we have your playlist. Add your video to one or more playlists to organize your content for viewers. I'll just select here and create a playlist. If it's a new playlist or new podcast, then I will click over done. Right, then you have here the option of audience. In this video made for kids, I will just select if it's yes or no. If it's made for kids, I will select the first one, or no, it's not made for kids as you can see. Then also we have here age restriction. Do you want to restrict your video to an adult audience? If I want here, yes, I restrict my video to viewers over than 80 years old. And we have here no, don't restrict my video to viewers over than 80 years old only. And all right, we have here the link that you have to click over it and they will get started, and I will just copy it, and if you click over that link you will find my short video. And also we have here how you can paid promotion, for example. And about this one, we have here my video contents paid promotion, like product placement, sponsorship, or endorsement. I will just click over it if it's yes. Then we have here altered content. Here we have the new of the full and describe your content. If it's yes, you click over yes or no. Then we have also your automatic chapters, allow automatic chapters and key moment. I will just let it like that. Then we have featured places, allow automatic places. I will just let it like that. And we have more details about this one. Help you use explore key places in your video. There are public places like restaurants and shops without display your current location or other private information. We have the automated concepts. You just click over allow automatic concepts if you want. Then we have tags here as you can see. Tags can be useful if content in your video. is commonly misspelled. I will just add a tag, for example, just we'll just add here shorts. Then I will just here add and just select the video language. Just scroll down and we'll find here English, as you can see. Then we have here video location, as you can see. And but before we have the caption here, certification, you have just to select your caption certification. Then we have a recording date and location, and when and where your video was recorded. Viewers can search for videos by location. You have just to select the date and the video location, as you can see. Then we have a license, as you can see. So I will add, for example, here Creative Commons or standard YouTube license. I will select the second one. Then here we have if we want to allow embedding or publish to subscriptions, feed, and notify subscribers. Then we have shorts remixing. Let address create shorts using content from this video. If we want to allow video and audio remixing, allow only audio remixing, or don't allow remixing. I will select, for example, the first one. Then about the category, I will select here the niche that its video is in. For example, visit autos and vehicles, comedy, education, entertainment. I will select, for example, education. And about the type, I will select if it's activity, concept overview, how to. For example, I will select how to. And about the problems here, we have how to learn to find your explanation and other things. Now you have just to select your academy system if you want. Then also we have your level, exam course or standard. You have comments if you want to switch it on or switch it off if you want again. Then about here you have just to sort it by the nearest or the top, and then you click over next and you move to the next one, which is video elements. About this one, you have just to add subtitles if you want, or add cards, and you click over next and you will find here text. We will check your video for issues that may restrict its visibility, and then you will have the opportunity to fix issues before publishing your video. And you have just also to read this information by clicking over learn more, and you click over next and you'll find the visibility. As you can see, you can just make here the video private if you want, only you and people who you choose can watch your video. Then you can make it also illustrated if you want. Anyone with the video link can watch this video, and also you can make it public. Everyone can watch my video. If I make it public, I will just publish it right now. Set it as a premium if you want, and also I will just make it right now, make it private. Then I will just change on the settings and I will make it publish. Also, we have other options like shorts here, live, post, playlist, podcast, and promotions. You can just select the one you want and when you start. For example, if you want for example, live videos, posts, playlists, podcasts, and promotions as well. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.